Welcome guys, I'm going to be showing you today how to get started in monetizing, guiding through the process of creating a Google Sales account. I'm Steven. In this tutorial, let's show you all the steps to start earning from the digital content. First of all, what you want to do is to go and visit the Google AdSense. If you don't see this, you can always go into the upper side, go for adsense.google.com, and you should be sending directly into the Google AdSense. Now that we are here, what you want to do is to sign in or create an actual Google account. So if you're not already signed in with your Google account, so do now. If you don't have a Google account, you'll be prompted to create one. So you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Google account. In our case, what we wanted to do is to get into the option that says get started. Then later on, it's going to be asking you to choose an account. So since we already have an actual Gmail account, the process is not going to be that hard. So once we are here into the very first part of your Google AdSense, now it's going to be asking to click on the Get Started button. After that, beginning with the application process. Now they're going to be asking for some information about your content, your website, so be ready to provide accurate details. Now you might be seeing something like this inside the Google AdSense. We do have an actual site. I'm going to delete this and do the process once again. So it's going to be asking us, of course, to follow the steps to start earning with ads. If you don't know how the actual Google AdSense work, well, this is an actual application that can help you to add ads directly inside your website or into your application. So that way you're going to be earning a few commissions for that. If you wanted to see how does the revenue works, check out the actual region you're currently living. Select the category that you're actually interested in. And as you can see, here are the monthly page views and our potential annual revenue. So this is going to be really important, and depending, of course, what are the amount of people who are checking your website monthly. So with that information said, let's go back directly inside the very Google's AdSense. Let's enter our website URL. So what I want to do is to go here into add a site. Inside this website, what you want to do is to copy and paste the website that you have already been enabled, so you can get started to add ads directly inside your website. In this case, it's going to be this one. So I'm going to paste my website. I'm going to hit now to save and follow the next prompt. Now it's going to be asking us to enter information about yourself, such as your individual name, and address, and all of that information. I'm going to go back, and then it's going to be asking us to check out how it's going to be looking the ads on your site. Of course, in order to see this configuration, what you want to do is to make sure that you have verified the code to verify the AdSense code. So this information, for example, is going to be asking us to place this code on every page across your site, would automatically show ads in all the best places. So copy all this one and follow the prompts so you can add this directly inside all your sites. Hit it done, and then we're actually good to go. Lastly, what's going to be asking us the actual website is to connect your site to AdSense. So in order to actually connect your ownership, you want to make sure that you have the Huckleberry. Now this Huckleberry is an actual verification where they can be seeing how does the actual site is being connected through ourselves. So all our basic information, of course, should be granted and directly from the prompt, from the information added from your website directly inside Google AdSense. Next thing, connecting your Google Analytics. Now this is totally optional, but for a more comprehensive understanding of your audience, you can choose to connect your AdSense account to your Google Analytics. And how we can always do that, and instead of going for adsense.google.com, let's go for analytics.google.com. Here, what you can do is just to add exactly the same website. Make sure that this information, exactly the same information that it's directly into our Google AdSense, it's been imported directly inside Google Analytics. You have a bunch of tutorials and something more specific for you guys to get started with the Google Analytics. So this is just like a broad idea of what you can do. Speaking about adding an actual website and tracking that information here directly inside Google Analytics. Last thing is to review and accept the AdSense policies. Carefully review the AdSense progress policy. Google has certain guidelines to maintain a fair and transparent advertising ecosystem. Once you have read and understood the policies, you can check the box to accept them. So lastly, what you want to do is to verify your identity. In this case, what I want to do here is to sign into an actual website where we already have checked out the actual site. As you should see here, we have the payment is being processed. The ads has not been processed. Lastly, what we need to do is to fix a few things on our website. The verification of the site has now been verified, but there are a few policy violations that they needed, of course, to confirm that you have fix the issues, for example. So if you don't know what are the actual problems, you wanted to go here into this article, check out the Google Publisher policies and check all the actual elements. So what you can do is to not engage or just fix that, go back and hit into request a review. After that, you are actually good to go and you are ready to show ads directly inside your actual website or into an application. That totally depends on what the actual element that you chose. And there you have it, guys. You have successfully created a Google AdSense account. So you find this tutorial helpful, let's give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital insight, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you success into monetizing your online content with Google AdSense. See you soon.